I wasn't going.
If you have ever struggled with wrapping or cooking food in leaves, trust me, I've been there. And this is me who I literally grew up seeing my mom cook food in leaves. And somewhere in my mind, I just thought it was difficult. It was something I could not do. I struggled with it. Then, upon growing up, there was this older friend of mine that I visited, and then she was wrapping moi moi in leaf. I said to her, please teach me how to wrap this leaf. I don't know how to wrap it. Then she said to me, don't worry, just go to the market, buy leaves, get all your moi moi ingredients the way you would really love it to be well cooked. Then wrap in leaves. Don't worry, by the time you waste your moi moi, when you do not do it well, you are going to learn. And that was literally what I did. And then that was how the process started. And then I began to get better and better at it. After I blended my moi moi, I put in all the mixture of what I wanted in it. Now, there is a little twist to this moi moi. I'm using fish, boiled fish, and I'm using liver in the moi moi. This one tip I'm going to give to you if you want your moi moi to be silky and you want it to be very fluffy. Just beat eggs. You see the eggs I put in this video? That is what they are for, yes. So I beat my eggs and added it for a very silky finish. And this is me wrapping my moi moi in leaves. First, I removed the stalk in the lower part of the leaf. I love to wrap two leaves together. Some people go for one. That's fine, whichever one works for you. But I just think this kind of takes in more moi moi. It helps the quantity. So you fold it at the lower part this way, and then you put in the quantity that the leaf would take. Not too much and not too little. Then you see how I folded it at the top. So that's it. Very simple. And then the arrangement is where the work now comes in. When you begin to arrange in the pots, make sure you set it in a way that it kind of finds a way to rest on each other and it's not in a position where it can easily spill open. So that's it.
I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should have known it.